Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the KuCoin app cache. Clearing the cache on your KuCoin app can help improve performance, fix app glitches, and free up storage on your device. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into KuCoin, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left or the bottom right corner. Now, in the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and select Clear Cache. Soon after you do that, the app cache will be cleared out. This will remove temporary files without affecting your login information, wallet, or funds. Now you can restart the KuCoin application to see the improved speed and smoother performance. That is how you easily clear app cache in KuCoin application using your smartphone. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.